Welcome to Innovative Insights. Today I will be showing you how to use basics of Autodesk Inventor Professional 2024. So when you open the program, you get to this screen. You click on New. You see there's sheet metal, standard parts, standard part assemblies, and weldments. So to start off, we're going to start off with standard parts. It's going to take a minute because my computer's a little bit slow. So you start on this screen. There's nothing there. So you click Start Sketch, and then you choose a plane. There's the XY, YZ, and XZ planes. So we're going to choose the XY plane, and so you start with drawing a circle or whatever shape you need. Drawing a circle, and then you can draw a couple lines off the circle, and after you draw a couple things, make sure the part is closed, and then you'll be able to, then you get this part, and it's purple right now, so it needs to be constrained. So the constraints should not be too bad. Like, do not just use dimensions to constrain things, but make sure you put these constraints too. There's concentric, so when you put circle and circle together, you can fix the part. You can make lines collinear. I think that's what it's called. And it will make the lines the same line. And then there's parallel lines, and lines can be equal to each other or values, and tangent, or vertical and horizontal lines, and perpendicular. So this is constrained, and so you click Finish Sketch, and then if you want to like make a shape out of it, you click on the part you want, and it doesn't matter what you name it, but then you can choose your distance. So we're going to go out 2 inches. Click Enter and it extrudes it, but you saw that other part's missing now. So you take that and you right click and share the sketch, and then you extrude that, and you go the other direction, and we're going to go 1 inch on that direction. So you've made your first part in Inventor. Now you can turn off the visibility of that sketch, and there's a part. Another thing you can do is you can add sketches on top of sketches, and then you can have a sketch constrained to different parts of the sketch. To add more to the sketch, you click Project Geometry, so that you get that value in your sketch. And then you can extrude, and you click Cut, then you choose the Through All option, that option, and you click Through All, and then you've got a hole. So the next step is choosing the material. You can go up here and choose between like iron, polyurethane, high density. They have a bunch of predetermined, like pre-constrained materials, which will all have the same properties of the material. And it will show if you go to physical properties, say its material is that, and click update, and then you can see that this part is 1.119 pounds, and it's got a surface area of 40.44 inches and a volume of 6.871 inches cubed. And it gives you the center of mass, so that's really cool. Then you can save your part, and then you can create a standard assembly, and then you can put your part in the assembly. And then you've got an assembly. So now you've got to create another part to put in the assembly. So you follow the same steps and creating your next part. And to edit a part, this shows the, yeah, you're going to go 3 inches on that. If you make a mistake, then you can, yeah. So now that you've created your next part, we're actually going to choose stainless steel. Now you go to the assembly and you can add your, make sure to save your part first. And then you can place your second part. And to put these parts together, because they're just parts lying around, what you do is you can constrain parts together. So we'll take that surface and constrain it to that surface. And then I like to pull them apart so you can get to the next part to constrain. You're going to constrain that cylinder to that cylinder. Apply. And now you've got your part put together. But it moves around, so you take one of your parts and you ground it. That's what I like to do. And then you can rotate your part like that. That is some of the basics of Autodesk Inventor. Thank you for watching. There's a lot more to go in depth on, but this is just some of the basics. Thank you. Thank you for watching Innovative Insights, and have a good day.